Happy Thursday. This is Kahtonna. Good morning or good day or good evening to some people. All of my House of NteKKah family and 1111 squad. I wanted to just join you in the middle of the day or at the end of your day, wherever you are across the globe, and share a piece of nature with you.
Thank you.
I'm outside here in the dirt. I want you to hear the birds, hear your children playing if you're outside, hear the sounds of the cars going by, hear the sound of the wind, hear the sound of your breath. Be here now, be here present in this moment, because this moment is really the only moment that you have right now, and it's very precious. So on today, just express your gratitude and appreciation for being alive and having another chance to breathe, to hear, to see, to smell, to be here now, today. And I just wanted to share some smudge medicine with white sage with you. The birds sound beautiful. If anyone's been outside today, the sun has a totally different feel today. It's just different. Come closer to the camera.
So good.
Even my kids love this. Let this clear away all of your stress, all of your anxiety, all of your worry, and reset you. It's beautiful medicine. I am so grateful for this medicine of white, the sacred plant of white sage, to clear us, to protect us. A sacred plant medicine provided by God, provided by Source, provided by Creator. An energy that is so big that cannot be defined. And we give thanks and gratitude and appreciation on this day. Thank you for joining me and sharing in the clearing of anything that we do not need right now, anything that does not serve us in this higher purpose of this life.
Mommy, we're just gonna put some flowers.
Thank you.
For a little.
Let me show you these flowers. They're gorgeous. Look at these that my daughter just picked. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Okay, put them up there. And I'm Kahtonna with House of NteKKah. And as always, be the light and be contagious. Thank you.